Previously, I showed you how to set up the VisionES control panel. We went over the hardware as well as the software side of it. In this video, I'm going to show you the actual setup at the client's site. So here we go. We only need 2 small wires to feed the electricity for the electric strike surface mount. Here you can see I'm using electrical tape to mark the position of the old strike. That way, when I align with the new strike, it should work perfectly with the door. And these wires are 18 gauge. There's actually 4 of them, but we only need 2 to control the strike. The door frame is completely hollow, so it's easy to run wires as needed. Here you can see a bunch of holes from the previous strike, and we made 1 bigger hole for the wires to feed through. There we go. This is the new electric strike that's mounted into position. This electric strike is rock solid. No matter how much I try to pull it, it will not budge. You can see that I mounted it using 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. Let's go ahead and put the cover back on to make it look nice and fancy. Once the cover is on, you need to tighten it down with 4 Phillips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next up, we need another cable. This time we're going to use all 4 wires of it for the keypad. Here I'm using crimps and heat shrink to make sure that no wires will ever get loosened. And if you remember from the last video, we're only using green, white, red, and black. We're not using the yellow nor the brown from the keypad. And that's basically it. Pretty good looking, right? Alright, hopefully you found this guide helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.